Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Cozy tropical beach hut with an expansive ocean view, open structure featuring wooden beams and a thatched roof. Soft, natural light filters through the space, casting gentle shadows. The interior is furnished with large, plush cushions in deep blue hues and woven baskets accented by soft beige textures. The floor is made of warm, polished wood, complementing the lush greenery visible through the open sides of the hut. Decorative hanging lanterns provide a warm glow, creating a tranquil atmosphere. A modern outdoor terrace at sunset, featuring a spacious L-shaped sectional sofa adorned with soft gray cushions and warm orange accent pillows. The setting includes a rustic wooden coffee table with natural texture, surrounded by delicate woven decor pieces. In the background, tall golden grasses sway gently, illuminated by the warm, golden rays of the setting sun filtering through a lush pine forest. The aesthetic is a blend of minimalist and organic design, emphasizing a serene and inviting atmosphere. Modern architectural scene, open-air living space with a comfortable brown sectional sofa, large glass walls revealing a contemporary interior, warm ambient lighting, minimalist design, concrete surfaces blending with nature, curated landscaping with vibrant green plants and colorful flowers, a sleek fire pit surrounded by gravel, soft sunlight illuminating the scene, creating a serene, inviting atmosphere. Impressionistic style emphasizing harmony between architecture and nature, warm earth tones interspersed with lush greenery, peaceful outdoor setting, perfect for relaxation and social gatherings. Modern architectural oasis in a lush tropical setting, featuring a sleek, dark exterior with expansive glass walls reflecting rich greenery. The scene showcases a tranquil swimming pool surrounded by vibrant plants and comfortable lounge areas adorned with bright orange cushions. Warm, ambient lighting emanates from the interior, creating a cozy atmosphere intertwined with nature. The aesthetics lean towards hyperrealism, emphasizing sharp details in the textures of the stone pathways and foliage, while the color palette blends deep greens, bold oranges, and earthy grays, evoking a sense of luxury and relaxation. A spacious outdoor living area featuring an inviting sectional sofa made of natural rattan, adorned with plush beige and tan cushions. The setting is a rustic, yet elegant patio with a sloped, wooden ceiling, complemented by exposed wooden beams. Warm, earthy tones of rich browns and soft neutrals dominate the scene, highlighted by lush greenery from surrounding tropical plants. A stone fireplace adjoins the seating area, with a modern grill visible in the background. A low coffee table rests on a textured area rug, adorned with a small vase of vibrant flowers and tasteful decorative items. A serene outdoor porch scene featuring comfortable, woven rattan furniture arranged harmoniously under a wooden beam structure. Soft white cushions adorn the plush seating, offering a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The setting is bathed in warm, natural sunlight, enhancing the earthy tones of the stone flooring and surrounding greenery. Delicate purple flowers in various pots and along the edges create a vibrant contrast against the neutral palette. A classic lantern hangs overhead, casting soft shadows, and a lamp on a side table adds a touch of homeliness. Luxurious indoor poolside lounging area in a grand mansion, featuring elegant travertine marble flooring and tall, ornate columns. The scene exudes a hyper-realistic style with rich details, showcasing a serene vista of a calm river surrounded by lush tropical greenery. Golden sunlight filters through large arched windows, casting soft shadows and highlighting the intricate architectural elements. Plush white loungers adorned with delicate cushions are positioned beside a glittering, turquoise pool that reflects the vibrant blue sky. Luxurious outdoor living space with plush sofas adorned with intricate cushions, situated beneath an elegant chandelier. The scene showcases a grand mansion in the background, characterized by its classic architectural style and terracotta roof, surrounded by lush greenery and blooming flowers. Golden sunlight filters through sheer curtains, casting a warm glow across the scene. The color palette features rich earth tones, vibrant greens, and soft golds. Cozy rooftop terrace with a modern aesthetic, featuring a spacious sectional sofa with vibrant orange cushions contrasted by neutral and gray throw pillows. A sleek concrete fire pit at the center, flames flickering, surrounded by a textured area rug. Lush greenery in stylish planters adds freshness, while large windows reflect a city skyline in the background. Soft, diffused daylight illuminates the scene, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Subtle textures in wood and stone create a harmonious blend of urban sophistication and natural elements. Cozy outdoor lounging area with plush cushions and intricate rugs, set under a wooden pergola draped with a patterned textile. Soft, warm lighting from scattered candles illuminates the space, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Lush greenery surrounds the setting, with distant mountains in the background bathed in soft twilight hues of blue and purple. The scene conveys a mix of Bohemian and rustic aesthetics, emphasizing natural materials and tranquility. Include detail-rich textures in the cushions and rugs, with warm earth tones and intricate designs. Serene outdoor living space featuring a modern, two-story villa surrounded by lush greenery and misty hills. The design showcases a blend of concrete and natural wood elements, with a spacious deck leading to an infinity pool that reflects the early morning light. Warm, ambient lighting from decorative hanging fixtures creates a cozy atmosphere in the open living area, visible through large glass windows. The color palette includes earthy tones of gray and brown, complemented by vibrant greens of tropical plants. Cozy outdoor living space with a wooden structure featuring a plush gray sectional sofa adorned with orange and gray cushions, surrounded by vibrant vertical gardens filled with blooming flowers in hues of purple, orange, and green. A sleek wooden coffee table sits at the center, surrounded by additional wooden side tables and a round knitted pouf, all placed on a warm wooden deck.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.